The COSORI Food Dehydrator 10-tray model offers a very large stainless steel drying area that can handle big batches of jerky, fruit, and herbs in one run. Its rear-mounted fan and consistent airflow help foods dry evenly from tray to tray, reducing the need to rotate racks or worry about damp spots. The digital controls allow fine-tuning of time and temperature within the 95 to 165 degree Fahrenheit range, which is ideal for everything from delicate herbs to safe homemade meat snacks. Dishwasher-safe trays and included mesh and fruit leather inserts make cleanup straightforward and let you work with smaller or stickier ingredients without frustration. The machine runs with a low hum and includes automatic shutoff and overheat protection, so it can be left to work for long sessions without constant supervision. An included recipe collection and the option to add more compatible accessories make it easy for beginners and experienced users to experiment with a wide variety of dehydrated snacks.